we did an interview with Rekha ji a couple of years ago. Whole interview did, and then Rekha ji said, you know, I don't want to do this. Can we scrap it? I was like, Rekha ji, first of all, वो interview देती बहुत कम है.
बहुत कम.
बहुत कम है तो वो देती नहीं interviews. She did a few with me. She did one many years back, and then a couple of years back she did another one. तो वो interview पड़ा हुआ है, and she said हम दोबारा करेंगे. Again, these are people I think who are in the pursuit of perfection and excellence. Sometimes you want to say in an interview, I don't think we need perfection and excellence. I love this uncensored vibe where मतलब कोई आ रहा है कोई जा रहा है हम बात कर रहे हैं बीच में. I think the idea of an interview is to give the viewer a sense of who you really are.
Correct.
And if you're going to be in control of that, you can be in control of films, you can be in control of your acting. But I feel that you shouldn't be. In Shahid's case, I understand it was his first interview. If he was sounding like his voice was not good, it's the first time people are going to see you. I understand it. In Rekha ji's case, also again, you know, someone who comes out so rarely. If you're not liking the way you're looking or you're not liking the way you're sounding, I understand wanting to be in control. I try to avoid cutting these things. एक बार, and this one I won't take names, there was एक round table पे, it was an actress round table, और एक actress ने दूसरी actress पे, she snapped at her very badly.
Really?
And not fairly. I think it was an unfair way of just snapping. That I got a call from the other actress saying, "Can you please cut this out?"
Yeah, I mean that's
it was unfair and it was rude, so we did cut it out. But otherwise, actually, to be honest, most people I think. Also, I think, you know, journalists, interviewers, people know what to expect from their interview. I think they got a sense that from his interview, people want candid, free-flowing chat.
Yeah.
So even if you say something wrong, you correct it in the interview.
Yeah.
You don't need to cut it out and things like that. I think I was lucky that most people understood that I was not looking for sensationalism. I was looking to get, I mean, an interview should be a place where it's an opportunity to get to know who you are.
Correct.
And we are all imperfect. Yeah, we've all got our flaws and we all sometimes don't say the right things and sometimes our pronunciation is wrong and sometimes our accent is wrong, and that makes who you are, and that is there is a beauty in that, and I think anyone who understands that doesn't ask for cuts.
You've obviously done this for all your life. Now, who was that actress?
No.
Since this is uncensored.
No.
Watch the whole podcast in the link and don't forget to subscribe.